Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Open Settings, go to System Storage, and note which drives are low. Once done, enable Storage Sense to remove temp files automatically and run disk cleanup to clear installer and Windows Update leftovers. Make sure to back up any irreplaceable documents to an external drive or cloud. This prevents data loss when you later remove large folders or uninstall apps. Now you're ready to proceed with targeted removals and moves. Next, focus on shifting and trimming space hogs. Move documents, pictures, and videos to a secondary drive or external SSD. Right-click Folder Properties for Location tab to change path. Then remove large, unused apps through Settings apps and optional Windows features you don't need. Once that's done, run a disk analysis tool to scan for hidden large files, inspect downloads, virtual machine images, and old ISO files, and delete or archive what you don't need. These actions free substantial space quickly and safely. Finally, optimize and verify. Compress infrequently used folders with NTFS compression and consider moving the page file to a larger drive, but be cautious. Adjust sizing manually to avoid performance issues. Reduce system restore disk usage if you have reliable backups, and run optimized drives to defragment HDDs or retrim SSDs. If something breaks or space reports look wrong, run System File Checker and DISM to repair corruption, and revisit storage settings to ensure Storage Sense and cleanup schedules are configured correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.